Have you ever wondered why fear overpowers logic? Here is a truth that sounds like a lie. Why fear feels stronger than logic? Fear doesn't wait, it interrupts. Logic thinks, fear reacts. Your brain was built to survive danger, not to analyze comfort. Fear hijacks your attention, floods your body, and convinces you that urgency is truth. Logic whispers, fear shouts. That is why most people don't fail from lack of ability. They fail from obeying fear. Control your fear today and logic finally gets voice. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. Kindly like, comment, share and subscribe.